Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to enable or disable waterlock on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, first, what's a waterlock function? This function is made to prevent accidental touches on your screen while are you swimming or contacting with any water with your watches on your wrist. So, how to turn it on? Firstly, we need to wake up our watches by a wake up gesture or by clicking this home button. Then we need to swipe down and swipe to the left. Right here you can see this icon with 2 drops on it. We need to hold it for a few seconds until the waterlock settings opens. Now just simply click on this slider to turn the waterlock on. And now you can notice on your home page this waterlock icon. Now, to turn it off, you need to click on the home page and hold the button for 2 seconds. One more time. And now you can hear some sounds which are ejecting the water from your watches. After using this function for first time, you will get an instruction to shake your watch a little bit to get the water out. Now you know how to enjoy swimming with the watches on your wrist. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.